Looking for variety in your HIIT workout? I have a move that I use and it is great. So you can use this either for stability, meaning for balance, or you can use it for HIIT. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do HIIT first, and then I'm going to show you how to do with your stability, your balance. So you start with your arms up here, abs are engaged, and 20 seconds on. 1, up, 2, up, 3. Keep your abs engaged. Up, arms by your head. Up, 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 up. 20 seconds on, up, and stop. You would rest for 10 seconds, and then you'd go back, and you would do another. Up, up, and stop. And you would you could do 8 rounds of that, or you can do that, and then you can put another exercise in between. So for example, I'm gonna do this again. So here, for 20 seconds, this is your HIIT. Then we're gonna rest for 10 seconds. One more. Then we're gonna stop for 10 seconds. All right? So a few more seconds, and then arms are here, and I'm just gonna come up and down. You can do this with weights. Here, up and down. Breathing. And stop. So you can intersperse both of those. So you can do the burr kickers, and then you can go to the split squats. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like with weights. This is an 8-pound weight, so you do something like this. And you do this for 20 seconds. Then you would put that weight down. You would rest for 10 seconds, and then burr kickers as fast as you can go. And there you have it. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. HIIT, high intensity, interval training. You got this. Now go try it for yourself.